You don't know it's Jamaican Green face MP. I gave you my heart, girl. I gave you my heart. What more do you want? I gave you my heart. Girl, I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. But you took them both and put them down in a hole. Baby girl, you killed my feelings, you killed my heart, you killed everything that made me happy. Baby girl, I thought you were the one. I place you in the #1 top 10. Baby girl, you know that I love you, and I would never put nothing above you. But yet, you broke my heart, you tore it apart. Baby girl, I don't know what I did wrong, but all I wanna say is fuck you, bitch, because you was a witch in my life, stealing all my greens. You know what I mean? Baby girl, I'ma pull up on you, stunt on a scene. I don't wanna see you anymore, I flex on you, you a hoe. Baby girl, you better know I gave you the best times of my life. I told you I was gonna give you a ring, make you my wife, but you stabbed me in the back with a knife. I don't know what I did fucking wrong, but I gotta say fuck you, bitch, I don't need you. You were just a bitch in my room. Bitch, know you're gone. Bitch, know I'm a little bit happy, but a little bit sad, and a lot angry, but I guess that's life. We gotta make mistakes, but I'ma rise and you're gonna fall. You better know that I'm gonna ball. I'ma flex on you, bitch, and you better know I always got the ice around my neck like snow. Now my heart is cold like it, like snowy. I got a new bitch and her name is Chloe, but she don't really fucking know. I'm just fucking her just like a hoe. She just want my dough, and I know, and I don't really care, because all these bitches be old cheer, just fucking for the cash. They always scratching their skin like a fucking rash for the cash. So I'ma bash these bitches face in with my motherfucking dough. I fuck your bitch fast, never fuck her slow. I don't give a fuck, I know they want my dough, and I only want the fuck, and I know they want the buck, ayy. So I'm gonna let these hoes free. I'm flyer than a motherfucking bee, and these hoes better motherfucking see the Jamaican Green.